Samsung Appliance Repair on the Treasure Coast. We fix every Samsung appliance made. Samsung is the most repaired brand in our market. They sell a huge volume of appliances and their electronics are more complex than many competitors. That means they need skilled technicians who understand Samsung systems. Samsung refrigerators, ice maker failures, defrost issues, error codes, compressor problems. We handle them all. We know the forced defrost mode. We know the demo mode reset. We carry the most common Samsung fridge parts on our truck. Samsung washers, drain errors, unbalanced loads, door lock failures, and SUD codes. We clean drain pump filters, replace door latches, and recalibrate Samsung front-load washers. Samsung dryers, heating elements, thermal fuses, thermistors, and moisture sensors. Samsung dryers are generally reliable, but when they fail, the diagnostics require Samsung-specific knowledge. Samsung dishwashers, drain pump issues, leak sensor triggers, and control panel failures. Samsung dishwashers are quieter than most, but their electronic controls can be finicky. Samsung ranges, igniters on gas models, elements on electric, and control board issues on the smart models. We use OEM Samsung parts on every repair. Same-day service throughout Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City, and Hobe Sound. Samsung Appliance Repair. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.